Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the first video I've uploaded in a while. Back behind me, we got a problem that I'm going to address with you guys that I got a part ordered to get fixed here soon, probably next weekend. So I'll definitely take you guys along for that one. I'm going to show you guys what it is. Now, you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, the truck is leaning a lot to the right. It's leaning a lot to the right. I'll take you guys underneath the truck here. If you can't see, this is not supposed to be disconnected at all. That's the leaf spring snapped. And punch a hole through the bed. It was a reseller's bed, but I don't know now. I don't know if I should resell it now. Okay, it's still holding up pretty well. But I got 2 new leaf springs ordered for her. One on each side, just in case this side decides it's going to snap to when I put the new one in. So, might as well replace them both while I have a chance. Just another piece of the project that's going to have to get done. I wish I could stop driving her so I can actually get to building her, but going to be trying to find an engine for that thing so I can, or another car, another car or engine for that thing so I can do a lot. So I park the truck back there, park it. So hopefully I can find an engine for her. But today's project is not going to be on the truck. Today's project is going to be on installing this shop light into my garage. This will be the first game I've done. So, done to this garage. I still have a lot to do. This is really just bare bones. Just gonna put maybe some drywall up. I don't know. There's not much room in this garage. I'm like 5'7". The truck just barely fits in here. So I might eventually have to look into a shop, but that's down the road. Right now, this is all I have to work with. This is what I'm working with. So we will try to do a garage expansion on this thing, maybe soon. I don't know. Right now, where we get to installing this shop light I got for Christmas, super freaking bright. Got Bluetooth. Hey, the wife got it at Rural King. I'm not sure what she got it from, so it's super bright and it comes with a 5-year warranty. So we get to hang this up and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. Alright y'all, I got it all put together. Wasn't that hard, it's so simple. Here it is. I'm gonna climb up here and show you how I did it. It's really all that simple. It's all just 2 little hooks, chain, and hook there. Same on both sides. This thing is fully Bluetooth. I'm gonna turn the light on. Sorry. I don't know, it's lights up most of the area in here. I know it's probably sunny out, but it's definitely an addition to, we'll turn this off. Fuck it. It's definitely an addition to the garage. That support beam, I'll turn this off actually. This support beam right here is in bad condition. It's cracked all the way along. It don't got much life left in it. So I'm gonna end up taking everything that's up there off, possibly burying it, take that off, replacing that, and any other boards that I might see that needs replaced. But I got another board to replace that one. Thank God. This should be doing good. It's a brand new board, so it should work for the time being. I definitely want to get some drywall, get this place all cleaned up. There you go. Yeah, it's a work in progress. Yeah, I'll definitely get to it eventually. This place will look pretty damn good once I'm done with it. This bed, I'm waiting on it to get here get a price on repainting and getting these rust holes all figured out, and shouldn't be that much. That bed's gonna come off, and I don't know what we'll do with it yet. If someone wants to buy it, then I'll let someone buy it, but if not, I ain't gonna pressure it, I'll just junk it. So, yeah, that being said, this is probably where I'm gonna end the video. Definitely keep an eye out on my video coming up here, possibly this week or this weekend. Definitely will be getting to video and explain how to do the free-release springs in that truck. I don't see very many videos. Well, I see a lot, not of that truck, but like 99 and 2000, I see a lot of them. So I'll do a video explaining all that, and we'll get to it. So keep an eye out for my video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. This channel's evolving every day, so I'm trying to upload as much as I can. I've just been busy the last few months, so I'll definitely try to upload more as I can. You guys take care. Have a great day. See you. Bye.